Hi and welcome back to Testimonial Report Chart Appraisals on Thursday the 14th of April with me, Richard Perrin, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at dollar yen now. We've had these last couple of days of traction to the upside. Couple of strong candles, just stalling a little bit actually today. Slight gains early on, but that's just rolled over a little bit as the European session has started to get going. Now this is interesting because the dollar strength that we had seen, I think, is just sort of possibly running out of a bit of steam already, and I think that could be a little bit of a surprise to some, because I think it could have gone a little bit further, but certainly I think on this dollar yen chart already starting to sort of maybe come up a little bit of pressure. Now we've got the unwinding technicals, and I see this just as a near-term move. I think that is a near-term buy signal on the RSI. That crossover on the stochastics yet to be confirmed as a buy signal, but still I think these are near-term signals rather than sort of medium-term signals, and the medium-term outlook remains very negative. And I think that still seems to suggest that rallies are a chance to sell. We've had that two-day sort of bounce on dollar yen, and we've got this small base pattern in place now. You've had a move breakout above 109.10, which was at resistance there from the 8th. Sort of come back to test that a couple of times. Holding for now, so that's a pullback to the neckline potentially, and that neckline still implies 150 ticks of upside, and that would be 110.60. But still, as I said, that I'm still looking at this rally as a chance to sell, and near-term sort of bear market rallies tend to undershoot their upside targets, and already we're seeing a bit of pressure coming on. You've seen the hourly RSI breaking lower, you've seen MACD lines turning lower, stochastics turning lower. So the pressure is on, and the question is already being asked of this dollar rally whether it can actually sustain the move against the yen, and it is in question, certainly. I mean that you would argue that this chart still continues to sort of point towards a recovery, because you're trading above the moving averages. You've got this base pattern intact, but again, as I said, the pressure is still there, and the selling pressure and the bears are still sort of not really going away. So it could be a slower burner, this one, but certainly the rally. Next resistance on the rally, the overnight high of 109.55, and then you got 109.85, sort of 109.85, 110, and then towards 110.60, which happens to be that base pattern target as well. But as I said, look at this, the daily chart. You'd say, well, any sort of rally is still going to be seen as a chance to sell. That is a seriously bearish sort of looking chart still, and there's further downside potential. So this rally, I think, is still going to roll over and just see further moves back towards 107, which is this line here. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you.